How much should you invest every month based on your salary? This is one of the most important questions in personal finance, yet most people never receive a clear and structured answer. Instead, they guess. Some invest whatever feels comfortable. Others wait until the end of the month and invest whatever is left over. But the truth is, there is usually nothing left at the end of the month. Expenses expand. Lifestyle improves gradually. Small upgrades slowly become permanent habits. Without a clear system, investing becomes inconsistent. And inconsistent investing is one of the biggest reasons people struggle to build serious long-term wealth and financial security, instead of choosing a random number. Use a percentage-based investing rule that removes emotion from the decision. Percentages work because they automatically scale with your income. When your salary increases, your investment amount increases. When your income is lower, your contribution adjusts. This keeps your financial plan realistic, balanced, and sustainable over the long term, regardless of income changes. Here is a simple 3-stage investing framework. Stage 1 is the foundation stage. Invest 10% of your monthly income. This works well if you are building an emergency fund or paying off moderate debt. 10% builds discipline, confidence, and momentum without creating financial stress or cash flow pressure. Stage 2 is the growth stage. Invest 15 to 20% of your income. This is where compounding begins to create noticeable progress and meaningful long-term momentum that becomes visible over time. Stage 3 is the acceleration stage. Invest 25% or more if your income stability allows it and your core expenses are fully under control. The higher your consistent percentage, the stronger compounding works in your favor over decades of disciplined investing. Now let's make this practical with clear numerical examples so you can see how this works in real life. If you earn $3,000 per month, 10% means investing $300 consistently. 15% equals $450. 20% equals $600. 25% equals $750 invested every single month with discipline. If you earn $6,000 per month, 10% becomes $600. 15% becomes $900. 20% becomes $1,200. 25% becomes $1,500 consistently directed toward your future. Here is what many people underestimate. The difference between investing 10% and 20% may not feel dramatic today. But over 25 or 30 years, that difference can potentially double your portfolio value because compounding works on a much larger base year after year. Small percentage increases today create massive long-term financial outcomes tomorrow. But what if you are carrying debt? If you are paying very high interest on credit cards, focus first on building a small emergency fund and eliminating that high-interest debt completely. Once that is done, begin investing consistently at 10% and increase gradually as your financial stability improves. Here is a powerful strategy disciplined investors follow. Every time your salary increases, increase your investment percentage before increasing your lifestyle. Move from 10% to 12%. Later move to 15%. Then eventually to 20%. This prevents lifestyle inflation from quietly reducing your compounding power. The key takeaway is simple: choose a realistic percentage. Automate it. Increase it gradually over time. Wealth is built through disciplined, percentage-based consistency over decades.